Power off the device. Press and hold the volume up button and the power lock button simultaneously. When you see the Tecno logo, release the power button, but continue holding the volume up button. When you see the no command screen, press the power button once, then immediately press the volume up button. This will take you to the recovery mode. On the next screen, select Factory Data Reset to confirm the process. This will erase all your data. Reboot the device.